Here we go. We got a looker. Come on. Oh, here we go. We got a couple lookers. Let's go, baby. Ah. I think they're starting to get uninterested. Now they don't want anything to do with it. See, I think they might like see their buddy get swept away and then they're like, whoa, we're not eating that. Oh my goodness, here we go, here we go. Come on, strike, strike. Somebody go in for the strike. Come on. Come on, are you guys blind? I swear, watching these fish try and eat this thing, I think they're blind. Look at this, dude, this is incredible. Look at all of these fish here. This is insane. You missed, man. Come on. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is so much fun. Yes. Another one.
Guys, there's a huge fish right here. Oh my god. Oh my god. He might eat it. Man, oh my god. Look at this fish right here. Look at the size of this fish. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Back up, back up.
Back. Yeah.
Record it.
Yeah.
That's a big old fish. There she goes.
Yeah.
He's gonna go crazy right here.
Oh shit.
Come here, boy.
Oh, it's pissing.
Yeah, I'm pulling a Pucano right there.
Alright, tag a friend who still couldn't catch a fish in this.
Reel in, reel in, reel in.
Fuck!
Reel in.
Come on, guys.
I'm trying, motherfucker, he's huge!
Be careful with line. Be careful with line. Get him up. Reel in. Oh my god, it's a giant.
Oh my god!
No! Liner. No! He's gonna break us.
Alright, I'm sick and tired of seeing this fake ass TV release. Alright? Let me show you what happens. You try to release this sucker nice and easy, and it's gonna go belly up on you every time. You turn a little, of course. That's what happens. Now, on the other hand, you do the old fish intimidator technique. Every single redfish you catch is gonna swim away. Now, it's pretty easy. One simple step. Voila. And she's gone.
I got it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's a baby sailfish, guys. We caught a baby sailfish. Oh my gosh. That is insane.
Oh my gosh! Dude, he has another bass in its mouth! Oh, okay, I got him. I got him.
You got him?
I got him. I got him.
Oh my god.
I got him.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. We just saved this bass's life. He's still alive.
Oh my god.
Let's put him back.
Bro, that might
Dude.
be a 9.
Let's go get a weight on him, bro. Holy cow.
Make sure you push his fins down.
Oh shit! No, I'm not fucking getting that.
She's a hot little number in her pig pickup truck. Daddy Sweet Money done jacked it up. She's a party all-nighter from South Carolina, a bad mama jammer from down in Alabama. She's a raging Cajun lunatic from Brunswick, juicy Georgia peach with a thick southern drawl, sexy swinging walk. Brother, she's all